everyone, it's been a while since I've posted here on YouTube, so I wanted to share with you a recent DIY project that I took on now that I'm in between dollhouses. HBSMiniatures contacted me last month about styling their new herringbone floors, and I could not resist. Their generous gift led me on a path to purchase and build this display box in my interpretation of a French country style room. Building the structure itself wasn't too hard. The instructions were easy to understand, and I used my favorite glue to attach each side to the base. All of the links to the products I used in this video will be listed in the description box below. You'll see I had a little snafu with the clear cover for this display box. I added the glue but didn't have the correct side prepared to insert it in the groove. I got it right at the end though. These windows are 5 inches in height, and they were too big to use in the Alison Jr. dollhouse, but they are a perfect addition to this room. Trim in the same color as the wall planks, and to add interest, painted the inside trim pieces black. This drill tool is a part of a larger set that allows me to change the bit depending on what I'm doing. On smaller pieces, it works like a dream, but I found it challenging to use in this room. Sure that this combination of tools was the easiest choice, especially that handheld saw, but it got the job done and in the end allowed me to add the pretty windows to this space. Prior to installing the boards on the wall, I measured and cut the floor planks, and once the wall treatment was complete, I glued the pieces down. It was a simple process, but it pays to take your time and carefully align the grooves to create a seamless look. Adding the stain and clear sealant on this floor was one of the most satisfying parts of this build. It made such a difference and the end result was so glossy. I love it. These worn red bricks were leftovers from the foundation work that I completed on my Alison Jr. dollhouse. The colors vary, which is why I laid them out ahead of time to determine the look for the stirred wall and the placement for each piece. I once again used a clear sealant on the brick walls before adding the mortar. The colors of the bricks really stand out in this step. The end result is a display box for my miniatures that I can use over and over again to style my favorite pieces. See you next time.